Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
सो पहिला
डिमांड फुलफिल झाली म्हणून त्यांची डिमांड्स फुलफिल झाली सर त्यांची.
First, we want to thank the Chief Minister of Goa because he has timely intervened. आणि ताणे आमकां हाज्या पयलीं व्हरून सांगिल्लें की आय विल रिजॉल्व द इश्यूज म्हणून ताणें ओरल आमकां सांगिल्लें की आपूण इश्यू रिजॉल्व करता म्हणून. आनी जेन्ना आमी सगळ्या कामगारां कडेन परत आयले तांच्यांनी सांगलें की till the management of Kadamba signs an agreement with you, we will not suspend our agitation. So that message was sent to the Chief Minister. We respect the word of the Chief Minister and we thank him on behalf of all the Kadamba workers for timely intervening in this matter and resolving this problem. सगळे कांय प्रश्न मिटोवंक नात पूण थोडे फार प्रश्न मिटलेले आसात. मुखेलमंत्र्यान आमकां सांगलां की इमिजिएटली on Monday the management of Kadamba will sign an agreement with the Kadamba employees union.